How to share your Shein cart on app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to share your Shein cart on app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Now, in order to share your cart, you need to have a few items on your cart. So, go ahead and add items on your cart if you do not have items in your cart yet. I will simply tap on my cart since I already have items on my cart. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the share button you see there on top right of your screen. You will now be asked to select the items that you want to share. So, go ahead and select the items, or if you want to select all the items in your cart, then you can tap on the All Radio button you see at the bottom and select all the items at once. Now tap on the share button you see there and select the platform where you want to share your cart in. You will be shown with various options where you can directly share the link, or you can also tap on the copy link option and copy the link and paste it further elsewhere. So this is how you can share your Shein cart on app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.